Hey, hi guys, welcome back. Welcome to my YouTube channel, TechTiger-Academy. I'm Ravi Malhotra, your instructor for this Fortinet NSE learning series. This course is part of the series Learn Cybersecurity with Ravi Malhotra. And we have reached lecture number 10, and this is going to be real lab number 2. We have done lecture number 9. So the last lecture we have done is the VMware Readiness. I'll request all my colleagues and my best friends to please watch the video lecture number 9, right? That will help them to to configure VMware Workstation as per so that they will be able to run virtual machines on top of that. So all right, guys, so let us move now. All right, sir. The objective of this short lecture is that how you can download FortiGate Firewall virtual images. That's the objective. There's a prerequisite. The prerequisite is that you must have login to support.fortinet.com either as a partner or as a user or as a customer. And then you must have WinZip software installed on your laptop. So the first thing that we need to do is that we need to log into support.fortinet.com with the credentials. Once we are logged in there, remember that support.fortinet.com. Once we are there, we need to click on the download tab. Inside the download, we need to click on VM image on top ribbon. Okay, so let us do that. I have the website open right here. So I'll click on download. I'll click on VM images. All right. So download done. VM images done. Let me say this piece is done. In the select product section, choose FortiGate. That's the select product. I'll choose FortiGate. In the select platform section, I'll select VMware ESXi. Select platform, I'll select VMware ESXi. And in the latest version section, in this version section, I'm going to select the latest version, which is 6.4.3. That's 6.4.3. And then on the right hand side, look carefully for new deployment of FortiGate. The reason being just because they have upgraded image as well. So that's the reason I wanted your attention here. That you need to look on this new deployment of FortiGate for VMware, right? And then you can click on this download button, right? And then you need to click on the download button, right? Now, so this is how we need to do. We need to select FortiGate as a product. We need to select VMware ESXi as a platform. We need to select 6.4.3 as a latest version. And we need to select a new deployment of FortiGate VMware. And then we need to click on the download button over here. So file will be downloaded in the .zip format. Unzip the file in a folder. These are the basic operations on Windows. Access the folder. Let me show you that. Let me show you my case, right? The image got downloaded a long time back. I unzipped it. This is the folder. And inside the folder, you will see lots of files in the .ovf format, which is right because every file you see here is in .ovf format, right? OVF, 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 and all that. And you are good to go with creating virtual machine with this .ovf format, and that's it. That's the end of this small lecture and lab. With this lab, you will be enabled to download the FortiGate Firewall virtual image. And in the previous lecture, we have done enablement. We have done readiness of the VMware, right? Now we are good to create a virtual machine of the FortiGate Firewall. Okay. So that's all, guys. That's the end of lecture number 10, lab number 2. I just want to thanks to all you guys. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Tech Tiger Academy. Please like and leave some comments over there. That's all, guys. Have a wonderful day to all of you. Great, guys. Bye.